Hello everyone and welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we will be diving into the powerful Xlookup formula and learn how to use it effectively. So let us get started. Here we have a data table with 3 columns: name, sales and bonus. The name column is in column B, starting from row B10 to B21. The sale column is in column C, starting from C10 to C21. And finally, the bonus column starts from D10 to D21. We also have sale thresholds and bonus percentages in column C3 to C7 and D3 to D7. Our goal is to calculate the bonus for each salespersons based on the sales thresholds and bonus percentages. Now let us go ahead and type the Xlookup formula in cell D10. In this case, our lookup value is C10, which is the sales amount for the first salespersons. The lookup array consists of C3 to C7 and D3 to D7, which contain the sales threshold and bonuses. Now drag the thresholds amount from row C3 to C7, log it by pressing Shift plus F4. Type comma, then drag the bonuses from row D3 to D7 and log it by pressing Shift plus F4. Type double comma and type the match mode -1, which stands for an exact match. Let us press enter to see the outcomes. As you can see, the result is 0 because the sales amount is less than or equal to $1,000, which means the bonus is 0 according to our threshold. Now we can drag the formula from cell D10 to D21 to calculate the bonuses for the remaining salespersons. And there you have it. The Xlookup formula calculates the bonuses for each salespersons based on their sales amount and predefined sales thresholds and bonus percentages. Now let us test our formula by changing the sales amount and see how it affects the bonus. As you can see, when we change the sales amount, the bonus amount updates accordingly. This demonstrates the dynamic nature of the Xlookup formula. I hope you found this tutorial helpful in understanding how to use Xlookup in your daily life. That is all for today's tutorial. If you have any question or need further assistance, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.